The red-headed woodpecker is a handsome and familiar Kansas bird. Dressed in dapper plumage, it's sometimes called a half-a-shirt due to the white band on its wings. It flies in the familiar woodpecker way, a roller coaster glide on intermittent wing beats. But among its close kin, it's the champion for agility, catching much of its flying insect prey on the wing. Home base is a dead tree. The woodpecker chisels out a hole in the interior cavity for its nest, a process that takes 2 weeks of hard work. During summer, red-headed woodpeckers eat fruits, seeds, and mainly insects. Flies, beetles, and grasshoppers are preferred, but sometimes they take huge bugs like hornworm larvae. Before swallowing, the woodpecker repeatedly pecks and kills its meal. Nesting takes several months. The bird lays 4 to 7 white eggs and incubates them for about 2 weeks. Once hatched, the young birds take an increasing amount of food over the next month, so that parents must hunt and return with prey about every 10 to 20 minutes. The young are gray with only a hint of red in their first plumage. At summer's end, red-headed woodpeckers head east and south to forested areas for better food. Acorn and mast crops are utilized when insects become scarce. Red-headed woodpeckers cache food for winter storage. I'm Mike Blair in the Kansas Outdoors.